Totally good over here. Hey everybody, this is Dusty Nervous Specialist. Today we're looking at an Eclipse Attitude, and the front end's compromised. It damaged the pin box. The customers went over hit something in the road and caused the unit to jump. And when it hopped like that, like it's kind of bouncing right now, it broke the steel up in the front end of the nose. So this pin box completely dies up into the front cap. You can see it compressing up against it. And then it's buckled and broke something in the bottom on the other side. So you can see the waviness of the front corner over there. This is Zach and Don. Don's from next door. He's going to come pick this bad boy up, take it over there. So, Don, I'll get you a copy of his work order so you have all his info. Okay. And then I'll go back and call him too in just a minute and let him know.
Where does he live? Is it 2 miles away?
Yeah.
Okay.